Now, you can delete files, and this is where you want to be really careful. And that's another reason why we're working just with file names. You can remove and delete files using the OS module. Python does not have a native function for deleting files, so we're using the OS module, which is a native Python library, but you still have to import it, and then you're going to use os.remove with the file name. So if I want, I can say import OS, and then I can just say os.remove. textfile.txt. And when I run that, you can see now, or you can't really because it's too small on this screen, but that file's gone. So it just deletes it. You want to be really careful because if I do something like this, I can actually delete files from my computer's operating system by accident. So that's why we're working strictly with just the file names, which keeps us in that little sandbox where it's safe. But if I want to, I could delete other Python scripts that are in that directory. That's this file here. And watch, when I run it, it gets rid of it. So I can delete any kind of file that I want. So I got to be really careful about how I use this because I don't want to go deleting things by accident. The other thing we can do with the OS module is find out whether a file exists, which is a good way of doing look before you leap, type error checking with opening a file. So I might say something like this: if os.path.exists Okay, so in this case, I'm just printing out whether the file exists or not. That file doesn't exist. So when I run that, it says the file does not exist. If I change it to a file that I know is there, then it says that it's there. So that's an easy way of checking to see if a file exists or not. So let's